Hi everyone, today, I'll be making the wing sections of a drone, complete with winglets and elevons. I already have the carbon shell blanks for these sections and the internal plywood frame elements. Carbon tubes will be integrated into the frame to connect each section to the next. The wing will be bonded with epoxy resin using fiberglass molds. One of the sections was made as an experiment using a sandwich panel technique. I didn't modify the 3D model of the frame specifically for this part, since I don't plan to use this technology in the future. I didn't see enough advantages in weight or stiffness compared to the downsides of the manufacturing process. Part of the sandwich material has to be removed mechanically under the frame to ensure proper mating of the top and bottom wing skins. Due to an error I made while hand building one of the molds, there were difficulties removing the finished part. There are mismatches between the theoretical and actual mold parting surfaces. I clean the wing sections from excess resin and then fill the visible defects. The elevons will be made of ABS plastic using 3D printing. This should be sufficient for testing the drone. Later, if necessary, they can be made from a stronger material. The elevons will be attached to the wing using hinge tabs that are glued into the structure. I decided to cut the hinge tabs manually from a carbon plate that I already had. I bond the Elevon parts using a mixture of dichloromethane with dissolved plastic. The mounts for the Elevon servos are also 3D printed. Each consists of a support piece glued into the wing and a cover to which the servo will be attached. The cover is shaped to match the outer surface of the wing. I prepare the mounting locations in the wing for the support pieces that need to be glued in. Threaded inserts are installed in the support piece to fasten the cover. I glue the servo supports into the wing. The hinge tabs are glued into the wing together with the Elevon itself to ensure proper alignment, ease of assembly, and free movement of the joint. Painter's tape is used to hold the Elevons in place while the resin cures. I set the servo horns to their neutral position and install the servos into the wing. I mount the Elevons with nylon washers, which ensure a consistent gap between the parts and reduce friction in the sliding contact areas. I make the missing elements of the Elevon linkages and install them.